Wanted to give you guys a quick tour of Chicken City. So we got our youngest ones over here. There's some Isa Browns. There's some Isa Browns and some Rhode Island Reds that we hatched out of our incubator. Then the Bantams got moved over to here, and they're liking their new home. And if you count it, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 automatic chicken water buckets connected together in this system here. Now this is the Australop project. So working on getting some breeders out of this flock here and trying to weed it down to the best of the best. I'm just amazed at like how massive some of these Australops are. Now they haven't started laying. The hens have not started laying yet. I gave them some tomatoes yesterday that didn't sell at the farm stand. Then over here is the egg layers. Let's see if they got any eggs this morning. Probably not. Nope, not yet. It's usually the afternoon before they start laying. And then over here I have the remaining hens, and I got 2 ducks and 2 geese in here. And eventually I'd like to fence all of this area in here for the chickens, but all of the chickens will end up going in the barn during the winter time, so that then I can have the 300-gallon chicken water, winterized chicken water operating. But yeah, these Bantams, they're really sweet and fluffy. But yeah, basically I just hooked up this chicken water, did some splits, did another split there, have a shut-off valve there, it splits up there, connects to the garden hose over there. So you could build your own system. Go to farmerbrad.com/bucket auto, and you can purchase your own automatic chicken water bucket. They're only $55 with free shipping to the United States. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and have a great day.